Hello guys, my subscribers, my future subscribers. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe right now. I have over 120 awesome videos, camping videos, and you should like it. Well, I just came to Bay City State Park, Michigan, and I have very bad feelings that this is gonna be my last camping this season. Getting cold, leaves already fallen, nature changed colors, and getting real cold, especially at night. So, well, hopefully not, but I'm afraid it's my last camping video this year, this season, and my last trip to camping. But for now, it's very late October, but here's a local forest. I wanna check for mushrooms because this year I had no luck to find some mushrooms. I have no idea what I'm gonna find now, maybe none, but I will check this local forest. Of course, gonna be make tour around the campground. We'll show you what it looks like. It's a huge campground. I think it's over like 300 campsites, and across the road Bay City State Park, and a lake. What kind of lake? Lake area? No, Saginaw Bay across the road. And I will show from bird view with using my drone what it looks like around. And of course, nice dinner. I will see what I'm gonna eat today. It's a simple but very yummy dinner. Stick around, don't leave yet. See you. Well, all unpacked. I'm ready to start my camping. And rule number one. Rule number one. Cheers, my friends. Good stuff. Also, what I would like to show you, it's a local beach. Of course, it's too cold now, but in the future I will show you. It's a very nice long beach on the Saginaw Bay. See you there. No mushrooms. Very dry forest. Well, this forest never was good spot, but sometimes I could find some mushrooms, good mushrooms. But now this year, well, I guess till next year. Local lake, but never was able to catch any fish. No, I lie. Couple years ago I caught some bluegills, very small size, and I let it go. a state park, local beach, access to local beach. Nice sandy beach, but it's too cold now. And this is local beach, campground, local beach. Finally, it's dinner time. Today for dinner, a very simple project. Burgers. Just burgers. I didn't eat for a while, so today is burgers. Some potatoes, of course, salad. Let's start it. Potatoes first. Now burgers. Oh yeah. Flip over. Oh yeah. And the last step is buns. All done. First goes my tomatoes. It's hot. Then my burger. Then my tomato again. And onion on top. Ooh. Another bun. What do you think, guys? Was potatoes. Alright, dinner is served. Salad, my burger, potatoes, and some wine. So, cheers, my friends, and please don't forget to subscribe. Lots of videos on my channels. Please support it, like it, and again, subscribe it. Cheers. Oh, how can I bite it? Unbelievable. Happy fall. Happy fall.